Hey everyone! When you're in need of car upgrades, we're here to assist you as always. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into the world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. UV Light Sanitizer. This UV Light Sanitizer is useful both at home and while driving. Its sleek and compact design allows for mounting on the dashboard or armrest. The silicone non-slip pad ensures a secure placement. Most importantly, it features 8 UVC LEDs that sanitize your phone from all sides, eliminating germs and bacteria in just 5 minutes. You can also use it to sanitize other items such as masks, keys, or earbuds. On top of that, it doubles as a wireless charger and is compatible with any QI-enabled phone. Charging and sanitizing, a perfect combination. Launch Scan Tool. Scanning your car for any issues has never been easier with this practical scan tool. It stands out with its 5-inch touchscreen and intuitive menu. You have the option to choose from 4 different system diagnosis services and instantly share the results with mechanics via Bluetooth or email. Alternatively, you can save a screenshot for later reference. With onboard storage ranging from 8 to 16 gigabytes, this tool automatically identifies your car's information and runs a quick scanning program. It enables you to check your battery voltage and read various trouble codes. Additionally, it offers 5 free reset programs and the option to purchase additional ones. The scanner supports multiple protocols, making it fully compatible with nearly 100 car brands. Rest assured, the battery life won't disappoint you. KETO. Turn your smartphone into a car key. Car keys are clearly outdated, and this is the future. This compact gadget, when combined with a mobile app, transforms your smartphone into the ultimate car key. Your car will only start when the phone is detected nearby. You can easily share the keys with friends and loved ones and set time limits to specify when they should return. In case of any issues, you can manually retrieve the key. Additionally, the app allows for easy unlocking of doors and the trunk. The best part is that this gadget doesn't require extensive installation. It simply plugs in via a regular USB connection. CarAide Multi-Tool 3X. This 18-in-1 multi-tool is essential for every car owner. It serves multiple purposes, including jump-starting your car with its strong 1000 amp peak current and taking care of your devices through its built-in battery. What we find most impressive is its versatility during emergencies. It can easily cut seatbelts and break windows, making it a deterrent for attackers and robbers. Additionally, it features a super loud alarm, a bright flashlight, and an SOS light, which can come in handy. With its compact design and built-in industrial magnet, you can conveniently store the multi-tool in a cup holder, glove box, or on the car door. This tool is a reliable way to stay out of trouble. Moki DoorStep. Loading luggage onto a vehicle's roof can be challenging, but not with this doorstep. Simply hook it over the U-shaped door latch and step on it. Its rugged and anti-slip surfaces ensures safety and stability, while its width accommodates both feet comfortably. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it is lightweight yet incredibly strong. Rest assured, it won't damage your car, thanks to the coated hook and rubber bumper that prevents scratches and marks. This doorstep is compatible with all cars and compact enough to fit in a center console, allowing you to have it conveniently nearby whenever you need to load some items. Hudway Drive Head-Up Display. This head-up display offers a stylish solution to keep your focus on the road while receiving essential information. By connecting to your phone via Bluetooth, it works seamlessly with your favorite navigation apps. Moreover, it provides instant notifications and text messages without compromising your safety. It even allows for hands-free phone calls. The modern design of this gadget perfectly complements any car interior, and installation is incredibly quick. As additional features, there are side view and rear view cameras with an ultra-wide angle, rugged weatherproof bodies, and a night vision camera for clear visibility in the dark. Mojipic Emoji Car Display. For your car, here's an LED display that adds fun and functionality. The dedicated mobile app acts as a remote control, offering thousands of emojis, smiles, and entertaining animations. You can use it to announce a baby in the car or show support for your favorite team on game days. Moreover, you can create your own images and texts. The display easily installs on any window and is compatible with Siri and Google Assistant, ensuring safe and hands-free use. Your passengers will also enjoy the preloaded 8-bit games. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. Now, let's take a look at another innovative tool, a tire inflator that incorporates a unique slime sealant. This sealant coats the tire from the inside, repairing punctures up to a 1/4 inch in size. The slime repair can last over 500 miles, giving you enough time to safely reach a tire repair facility. The inflator functions like a regular device. Simply plug it into the car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with the push of a button. The built-in digital display allows real-time tracking of tire pressure, and there's even a deflate button to release excess air if needed. Tire Puncture Repair Kit, or Tire Plugger. Introducing the most reliable and user-friendly puncture repair kit for tires. No need to remove the tire, simply screw in the plugger and fix the mushroom plug. These plugs effectively seal the tire from the inside, providing a long-term solution. The package includes over a dozen plugs, ensuring an ample supply. The rust-proof stainless steel nozzle guarantees durability, and if you want even more convenience, the gun kit version makes the process easier and faster, using the same high-quality materials. Drive Reach Car Signal Booster. With this signal booster, you'll enjoy seamless cellular connectivity even in remote areas. The system consists of 3 main components: an outside antenna mounted on the roof, a booster that amplifies the signal, and an inside antenna that distributes the improved signal throughout your vehicle. The package includes everything you need for installation, such as an adhesive disc, mounting bracket, and power supply. What's even better is that it comes with a built-in USB port to charge your phone. This signal booster is suitable for all types of vehicles, whether it's a car, a truck, or van. By placing the booster under the seat and concealing the cables, you can enjoy a strong signal discreetly, allowing all passengers to benefit from it. It's even compatible with 5G networks. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.